Let's talk about the stair climber machine. The stair climber machine, sometimes called the Stairmaster, simulates the motion of climbing stairs, which allows for a low-impact cardiovascular workout that engages the lower body muscles, such as the thighs, calves, and glutes. This machine consists of a set of moving stairs, stationary handrails, as well as left and right handles that conveniently have buttons to decrease and increase speed to make the workout more or less challenging, as well as emergency stop buttons to bring the stairs to an immediate halt. The faster the stairs move, the faster your legs have to react, because the stairs eventually revolves underneath the machine and can potentially bring you down. These handles also have a chrome heart rate sensor that shows that information on the display panel. This panel shows various metrics such as time, steps per minute, and calories burned. It also has buttons to start and stop the machine and up-down arrows to decrease or increase the speed, just like on the handles. To use the stair climber machine, hold onto the machine handrails and step onto the nearest steps with firm footing. Walk up until you're able to hold onto the handles and access the display panel. When you're ready to start the workout, hit the green button and use the up-down arrows on the display or on the handles to adjust your speed. I recommend starting at a slow speed, then gradually increasing, and finding the speed you can comfortably sustain. If you lose balance or can't keep up with the stair speed, you run the risk of falling down. That's why it's also a good idea to hold onto the handles if you're new to the machine, so you have support. Once you become more comfortable with the machine, then you might be able to try climbing without using anything for support. After the stairs start moving, maintain an upright posture with your shoulders back. Engage your legs, alternate and lift them with a controlled and steady rhythm. Make sure every time you take a step forward that it's firmly planted and secure. Some workouts you can try on the stair climber are a steady climb by sticking to a moderate pace for 15 to 30 minutes. Intervals that have you alternating between high and low speeds, for example, 30 seconds at a fast speed and 1 minute at a slow speed. And hill simulations, where you adjust the speed every 2 to 3 minutes. Once you've finished your workout, hit the stop button and wait for the stairs to stop moving. Hold onto the handrails and carefully walk down the flat steps until you've returned to the floor. If you prefer to exercise on a straight surface, then check out my video on the treadmill. Thanks for watching.